Gathered in this hall are support groups, grassroots mobilizers, and notable political leaders in Onitsha South local government area of Anambra State, ready and willing to work for the success of the Zenith Labour Party and its candidate, Obiora Okonkwo. The deputy governorship candidate of the ZLP, Jesse Balong, while inaugurating the campaign committee council in the local government, urged members to raise the awareness of the people about the ZLP and its candidate.
Now they've been inaugurated, they have to go to the field. They'll start campaigning. They'll start going to get the names of the members of each booth that will vote for us, get the members and get their numbers so that we know them, so that we know how many people we have in each ward that are going to vote for us. The three parties that are in Anambra State, the three major parties, they are in a mess. They are just, I don't know, they are in shambles right now. Three of them are in court. We don't know which one is going to go and which one is not going to go. So everybody, to be on the safe side, is going to Zenith Labour Party.
Governance, the government house, is a destination. Any political party is just a vehicle. You can use any vehicle you want to get to a destination. Somebody going with a Mercedes car can come on the road and have a busted tire. With your Toyota, you can pass the person and get to where you're going. So they are going to be in for a shocker. The Abga candidate have always been a civil servant. He have not been a job creator. He have not run any business. Government is business and serious business. So somebody that have always been a salaried person cannot tell me that you're going to create wealth. He doesn't know how to create wealth. So Obiora Okonkwo is a person that have been creating wealth, have been making people rich. I know that he's going to bring what we have in business into leadership.
The party also inaugurated its campaign committee council in Onitsha North local government area of the state.
We have traversed all the nook and crannies of Anambra State when we were in PDP. But because of what they did during the primaries, we decided to go to another party because we want good leadership for Anambra State. You understand? So that is why all of us, if you are up here, you will see that 99% of people who are strikers. The people who does the main election here in Anambra State. These are the people that are here. The strikers. Other people you see in the other parties are mushroom people. They don't even know their left from their right.
I don't normally follow any party I'm not too sure of. So the confidence I have in this party, I know there will be a lot of thousands of people like that will join this party, not for the name of the party, but the person involved. That is Dikora, the candidate, the governor to be. He's a man of tomorrow. He's a man that stands by his words. He has lived abroad. I myself have lived abroad. I love those that have traveled, that have gotten experience, worldwide. So when they live their life, they are much transparent. And they keep to whatever they say. That is the most priority. That is the most important thing. Just like I examine my own life, and I know how he lives his life. So I feel it's my type. And that is why I came out fully. And there's a lot of thousands of people that will come into this party just because of this reason.
Usually they used to be, people used to buy votes. You understand? Who tell you that they are going to not to buy that, to wasting their time? They used to buy votes. But we are not talking about buying votes. People are voting for this man because of what he is and what they know he will do for Anambra people, which he has already doing. So that is the position.
Precisely, we are doing all we can. The party is a new baby in the town with strong forces behind, because our master, the principal, is sellable. So that is why everybody is clustering to him to make sure that we push him over for this coming election. As long as Onitsha is concerned, it's a catchment center where other people meet. They move from where once you get Onitsha North, you have attracted other parts of Igbo, because this is the center of the commercial town.
The task before the newly unveiled campaign committee council is to mobilize support and market the party manifesto to the people to ensure the party candidate Obiora Okonkwo emerged victorious during the November 6 governorship election.